Again and Mary Anggraini YouTube channel. We Group A will present a video assessment and sample hypothesis testing in the Economic Statistics course. Before watching, don't forget to subscribe. Introducing the names of our members with myself, Mary Anggraini, Ira Jessica, and Sinta Juamara. Management Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business. Sample Hypothesis Testing. Sample hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to analyze sample data and test hypotheses about the population. What is hypothesis testing? Hypothesis testing is a statistical method that aims to evaluate whether there is enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Number 1. Null hypothesis. A statement indicating that there is no difference or relationship between the variables being tested. 2. Alternative hypothesis. A statement indicating that there is a difference or relationship between the variables under study. 3. Significant level. The value limit used to decide whether the null hypothesis should be rejected.
Basic concept of sample. A sample refers to a portion of the population that is randomly selected to represent the entire population. Number 1. Population representation. The sample should appropriately reflects the characteristic of the population. Number 2. Sampling technique. There are various sampling methods that can be used, such as simple random sampling and stratified sampling. Number 3. Sample size. The sample size needs to be large enough for the result to have statistical significance. Types of sample. There are various types of sample that can be used in hypothesis testing. Each types has different characteristics and use. Number 1. Simple random sample. Every individual in the population has an equal chance of being selected. Number 2. Stratified sample. The population is divided into group strata and samples are taken from each group. Number 3. Cluster sample. The population is divided into clusters and samples are taken from selected clusters. Determining the sample size. The right sample size is very important to get accurate hypothesis testing result. Number 1. Significance level. A higher level of significance requires a large sample size. Number 2. Population variation. A population-wide variation requires a large sample size. Number 3. Confidence level. A higher level of confidence requires a large sample size.
One sample hypothesis test. A one sample hypothesis test is asked to compare a sample value with a known population value. 1. Null hypothesis. There is not significant difference between the sample and the population. 2. Test statistic. Calculation test statistic to measure the difference between the sample and the population. 3. P-value. The probability of getting the same or more extreme result if the null hypothesis is true. For conclusion, reject or not reject the null hypothesis based on the p-value. Two-sample hypothesis test. The two-sample hypothesis test is asked to compare two independent samples to see if there is a significant difference between the two-sample test type, two-sample t-test, and two-sample z-test. Destination: comparing the means of two independent samples and comparing the proportion of two independent samples. Conclusion and analysis based on the result of hypothesis testing. Conclusion can be drawn. 1. Acceptance of the null hypothesis. There is insufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. 2. Rejection of the null hypothesis. There is sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. 3. Further analysis. Test result can be further analysis to understand significance and implementation.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it will be useful for all of you. See you again.